I'm at the same accord, because I think that we all want to get better, and we all need that thought partner person right next to us, right? Good or bad days, we need them. So absolutely. So I'm excited also.
I know. And I love your accent. So this is going to be a special show, everybody. Okay. I'm just saying. So listen, she's been in business for over 15 years. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I'm personally excited to be talking to you because I've only been in business 3 years. So I'd love to dive into your story. You've been able to sustain a coaching business throughout those years, which is amazing. So give me a little bit. How did you get started in this space?
Sure. I'll just share a little bit about my background because I come from the pharma world. I'm a pharmacist by trade, true blue, and really leverage that skill set in the pharma world on the business side. So not only from a commercialization and market access, as well as the medical affairs side. So really honing those skills and working collaboratively and putting those skills together to really develop where I am today. So what did it involve? I was doing training with sales teams and technical teams. I was launching products, programs, and people, right? And part of that strategy, helping others to understand what the strategy is and how to engage their audiences effectively. And then working with a lot of the senior leadership team as part of that strategy process. So that way, again, buy-in, alignment, and getting execution work. So those are some of the things I was doing while in that world, and stepped away from that.
Right, yeah. Pharma is a big business.
It is, and it's still my passion because it's all about, when you think about why you're doing what you're doing, right? Yeah. Service. You're in service because you're in healthcare. You are wanting to care with others. So I think taking that in the coaching world is something that my foundational element, because we're all about empowering others and helping others, right? And supporting them in different ways. So from that perspective, and really what made me do that transition is I was looking, well, what is my next thing, and how do I have impact, and how do I help others in a different way? So yes, I had my mentors and who were supporting me within corporate and helping me kind of think through what that next step was going to be, and help me kind of really soul search too as part of that process, right?
Soul searching, yes.
It's a lot of work in that.
Wait, did you quit, resign, and say I need it without knowing where you're going or what you want to do?
I was actually developing and cultivating my next step while in the corporate world. So they were kind of bankrolling my experimentation.
Oh my God. Yeah. Me too. I did the same thing. I know. Right.